The hook on the best ruler stops pen at the point of zero. It supports you drawing accurate lengths of line. Because best ruler is transparent, by reversing ruler, it able to draw with both right and left hand. It able to draw a corner with 30, 45, 90 degrees like a triangle ruler by following guides on the best ruler. First, right mark on the point of 30 degrees and normally draw straight line. Keep pen's tip on the point of zero and turn ruler until it overlaps on mark. Draw line between first line and mark, and you're able to draw a corner with 30 degrees. By turning ruler until the angle guideline overlaps to first drew line and draw line again, it also able to draw a corner with same angle. By overlapping point A on a drawn diagram, it able to measure angles. It also able to draw corner with various degrees, for example 10, 15, 18 degrees. Because the point D corner is right angle, it able to measure a length of materials easily by hooking it to edge like a caliper. The flexible ruler could measure even rounded shape. To use as a compass, it needs two pins, set one on the point of zero and one on the whole of centimeter mark. It able to draw a circle by centering point A and turn the ruler.